Yo, what's up guys? Today I would like to review our last project in 2 weeks ago. So the first one we have to review is the first garden we create. Here's go. Here we go. We arrived the first garden that we have created 2 weeks ago. So here's it. Okay, I would like to turn back the camera. Here's guys, the front side of our garden. That's the first garden that we have created 2 weeks ago. So I would like to explain you some plant that I planting in this garden. Alright. This one is called Khalifa plant that I have made it with this plant in some kind of garden store. You can call it broccoli plants or Khalifa plants. And this one, I don't know that name, it's red, it looks beautiful for the background for your garden. It's really good. And I use the green one too. The same name, it's broccoli plants or Khalifa plant, but it's the green one. It looks beautiful too. Okay, now we turn into the side part. So this is the look like from the side part. How is it? It look beautiful too. I use for the background with the bougainville because the flowers, a lot of flower here, is very good looking if we use the bougainville to be a background. And we have a ixora too. This is the flower bucket that I have made, the flower bucket. In the side part, this one and another one that. So we create another flower bucket with a beautiful rose flower, ixora flowers, and this one for the background that I have used, that's called bunga pucuk Arjuna in Bali. So it's very good, beautiful flower. Alright guys, that's the first garden that we create. Now we will go to the second garden. It's really very good now. Okay guys, that's we arrived in the second garden. So how it look like? It's great. Front part side is really nice place to take a picture from this side. Okay, now I will turn back the camera. Go. In the front side of the second garden, it's really cool, man. You can see the flower bucket over there. Here's two. Now I would like to explain you about the plant that I have planted in this garden. It's look very cool. Okay, the first one. Okay, we go from the front side. Right, guys. Here you go. Okay, same as the first one that I use the Khalifa plants. That's called broccoli plants in Bali, especially in Indonesia too. That's called Khalifa plants. It's just the leaf coloring with the yellow one. It's so good. Alright, then we go to the another plant. I don't know what is its name. So red but beautiful. That is chamara. It's very nice. And it's the little white flower. I don't know the name, but it's so good. It's look like so beautiful. If you see that's closer. Okay, I close the camera. How is it? This look nice, right? Very nice. Small but beautiful. Is it like? Okay, in the upstairs we can see. Look, this is the ixora flowers. So many flowers in the one bucket. Always ixora be a background. It's really cool because ixora have a lot of flowers that will be covering the bad background maybe. If you doesn't have like this wall, you can make a background from the Ixora. It will be very good. Yeah, I swear it's nice. Alright. Now in the flower bucket we have rose flower, but there's no flower here. It's okay. I think the 1 month will be growing higher and higher. It's good. Looks, that's called kembang siang in Balinese. I don't know what the name in English, but it will be so this flower will be grow in the noon or the middle of the day. It's around 11 o'clock until 1 o'clock or 13, 1 or 13. Okay guys, now here's the most beautiful flowers. That one, here you go. That's called Pucuk Arjuna. Really nice flower, bro. Okay, from the downstairs we have this one, the red plant. I don't know the name. So this is the Khalifa or broccoli plants. We made with Ixora flower too. But from the another side that I have used not a yellow one, I make the green one because I would like to make some gradation for this garden. This looks so cool. Okay, this is cloud. I can take the background. Oh, sorry. I can take. Alright, just do it. I like to show you how was the garden if it not too shining. Yeah, it's a good weather. I think cloud it's better to see this garden because my camera not too good. This looks good like. Alright guys, this is the second garden. Now I would like to review that's our last project. The third side is the river pond. Alright, here we go. This is the last project that I have made, the river pond. So why is the water turn into the yellow? That's causes because the rainy season. Because the rainy season, the water get yellow because the algae and some plant. I don't know the name of this plant, but it's make algae. But that's not the water turn into the yellow, but the stem turn into the yellow. But that's alright. That's good. I think it's better if the water is yellow because it's more like nature, not like homemade or like a modern style in the pond. It's good. You can see that. Okay, I would like to turn back the camera. You can see it closely. Alright. Here we go. I got this plant in the river, so it's look be nature. I have used the apung stone. I don't know what that's called in English, but in Indonesia that's called apung stone. The material from Mount Agung. Sorry, the material for volcanic mountain. Can she? Oh, sorry. This is the filter, guys. I have made this filter with the nature plants. I have no filter over there. It was a nature pond. Can you see that? Yes, I think that's enough to review our pond, and thanks for watching.